Siguro si ano muna, si Gab, tsaka si Hyacinth.
For me, I'm really happy of what me and Haya have because we've been closer for the past few months because we've been doing workshops, relationship works, and especially the music video. And I'm just happy to be there with her, like seeing her grow as an actress. And I think, syempre Marvin na yan, hindi namin, ayaw po namin mag-compare and we just want to grow as a love team na may each identify.
Yes, Hyacinth.
I mean, of the same thing. I don't really want to think about that. I don't right now. I mean, so far we're just really focusing sa project natin. And of course, our relationship and the foundation of our relationship then. Pero so far, you know, I feel very, ano,
Parang kilig na kilig ka, Hyacinth siya.
all I can say is I'm very grateful that Gab is and we're in a team together, and I feel very safe with him. I'm very grateful for that.
Thank you. Krisha, kayo, kumusta naman Jerome?
Hi po. Hi. Okay lang po. Payapa ang aming mga puso. Ay, payapa. Kalma lang naman kami. Siyempre, yun ang masasabi ko po. Asan po yung kausap ko?
Ito ay,
Ay, ayun po.
nasan siya ngayon?
Kasi ito, kailangan ko yung mag-swimming papunta dito. So, dyan na lang yung nasa ko.
Hindi mo ba siya dadamayan? Tutulungan natin yung bahay?
Nag-message naman po ako na sana everybody safe. Sana may safe sila doon. Safe naman. Safe naman. Mukha naman.
Ayun, thank you sa mga couples and congratulations.
Okay, thank you very, very much. Now, let's open the floor to...
Meron pa ba ng love team?
Ay, sorry.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Pakisagot din.
Si Shakira pala.
Oo, at saka si Jairus. Or baka kayo
with Bea.
Kami din matagal, kami pinakamatagal. Sa dulo pa po kasi istorya namin ni Jairus. And for now, we've been really enjoying being with the whole Mercada. And ewan ko, saya naman katrabaho. And let's go!
Then, syempre, like what Nicole said, malayo pa talaga yung book namin. So as of the moment, we enjoy each other's company talaga bilang co-workers kasi actually, the next book, mas nag-upgrade din yung connection namin in terms of working with each other. Mas naiintindihan namin sa isa kung ano dapat gawin sa promos and sa show itself. So, yeah, getting better every year, so we just enjoy each other's company din.
So, pasasagutin ko pa si Wilbert at si Bea. Gusto na sa relasyon niya.
Kumusta bang relasyon natin?
Wala naman po. Ngayon nga lang kami magkakatrabaho nito kaya sa Nocturno. But ako po para sa akin, sa isang love team naman, hindi naman necessary na kailangan maging kayo talaga in real life. What's important is maayos kayong nagtatrabaho, maayos yung working relationship din ninyo because after all, we all have lives outside our work. And I'm really grateful because Wilbert is, I feel like Wilbert is such a very reliable love team naman katrabaho.
Thank you for your wonderful words. Kaya matagal ko kasi yung book namin, so friends naman kami.
Kuya, ba't parang kinikilig ka habang nagsasalita si Bea?
Sabi niya, responsible daw ako eh. Reliable pala. Nakatrabaho po kasi kami sa Nocturno. So alam na po namin yung working relationship namin. Paano kami, nagka-excite na kami sa... Ba't ka ba nangasal? Nagkaka-excite na po kami sa mismo. So, ayun po. Yun lang.
Ayun, thank you guys. O Phoebe, one question lang.
Oh ma, thank you po. Okay, maraming salamat po. Next naman from Rider for PH, we have Jojo Panaligan. Dito po.
Thank you. Kay Direk, require,
Sa harapan po.
require nyo ba silang lahat na basahin yung libro at in-instruct ko ba sila to be 100% true to the characters? At meron din ba kayong deviation from the story or characterization para mas maging cinematic? Related kasi
I think nabasa naman na nila even before pa kasi third book na to. So, and ano kasi siya, di ba? Interconnected na mundo. So, alam ko nabasa na nila lahat.
instruction na naging 100%.
I think in terms of character, we wanna be as loyal as possible dun sa sinulat ni Guay. Kasi tested na yung book ni Guay. Kumbaga, tsaka, as I've said, kami mismo, we fell in love with the characters nung sinulat siya. So, it's more of, I think, owning the character in a different way. Para pag enact nila, may mga small touches of their personality. Pero, we try to be as loyal as possible.
Kung ano mababasa mo, yun na makikita mo.
Yes.
Thank you.
Kasi parang na-pressure ako.
Alright, maraming salamat po. Moving on to Random Republica, we have Kate Adahar.
Hi, good afternoon. My question is for Guy. Guy, congratulations. I know na pati ikaw mismo as a writer, you gained a fan base. So ngayon, I think are you still in law school and how do you balance everything? And ano yung aabangan? May law school love story.
Yes, I'm still in law school po. How do I balance? Actually, sobrang hirap na po right now. Kaya, dami ko bang script na basahin as of the moment. But I always find time. I just know my priorities. For me, school is at the top talaga. And then, of course, I still try to reach yung deadlines for the scripts kasi lahat yung kailangan review. And it's hard kasi I have to be on guard. Kailangan word by word I have to read and hindi ko pwedeng skim because, we all try to protect the essence of the story. So, kailangan yung mga information sakto since they're all interconnected with each other. Kailangan yung timelines, they're all sakto sa book. Kasi if not, magkakagulo talaga lahat. So, it's really hard right now. Pero, I still try to balance everything out. For the law school love story, since tapos na po kasi until book 6, I don't think there's a law school love story there. But I'm keeping that in mind if ever I write more in the future. Thank you po.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Ngayon naman from Manila Bulletin, pakinggan natin si Bobby Requintina.